Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the free items in DTI Halloween Update 2025. So the DTI Halloween Update is loaded with amazing free items you need to unlock, and the step-by-step guide will show you exactly how you can unlock all the free Halloween items and what tasks you need to complete. So the first one, it's pretty easy. You can just head to the main lobby in here and then head to where the mannequin is, and you'll see this pumpkin and you'll see the options to put it on. So you can just click on that and you can get these banana peel heels that you can put on for your outfit. And the next free items, you can find it on the new replay town. So you can just head outside in here and go to where the recording studio is. You can head outside in here and you'll see where the apple bobby in here. So you need to complete this task in here. You need to buy the ticket in first. You can just go to this person in here and you need to buy all these tickets to complete the challenge. So let's just purchase all of it in here. Then you can try to do this challenge. Let's try the golden spider in here. So you need to tap and hold to move the bar. Okay, so I've already unlocked the first one. And then you need to come back in 5 minutes to enter the second and the third. And once you've done all of that, you can get a new dress in the new Halloween update. So get this item now and dominate the Halloween theme runway for free in DTI. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you love the item, subscribe and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.